Andrew here, DrDetailInc.com. We're by the airport in Toronto, Canada. Today I'm doing a M Series BMW. It was taken possession of yesterday. Brand new, didn't even get off the lot. Curbrash. Brand new. The customer came to me. We're going to look after it. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com. This is the first video. Video one. We're going to show you the before and then after. Before. Andrew here, Dr. Detail. Video 2. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com by the airport. Video 2. We just finished this brand new BMW 4 Series M. This is the sporty version. We just repaired this wheel. All this was all curb rashed, finished, done in an hour. The customer will be happy. Brand new. Actually, the customer was very mad, but we got her all straightened out. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com. That repair costs approximately $145 plus $25 to remove, reinstall, and rebalance that wheel. Beautiful. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com. Wheel repair by the airport in Toronto.